Celestron CPC Deluxe 1100 HD Real Proof EdgeHD optics just ended the debate. Standing in my driveway at 2 a.m., wind howling, I'm trying to balance a wobbly daub on a folding chair while the target drifts out of view in 8 seconds flat. I finally just sat on the ground and laughed at how ridiculous it all was. Type done if you've literally given up mid-session because the gear won. That bone-deep exhaustion when you spend more time fighting collimation bolts and shaky tracking than actually looking at the sky. Your neck hurts, your toes are frozen, and the universe feels like it's personally gatekeeping itself from you. There's a way to make the sky feel welcoming again, instead of hostile. I wheeled out the Celestron CPC Deluxe 1100 HD1 crystal clear night just to test it. GPS locked in 30 seconds. SkyAlign done with 3 random stars. Boom, perfectly aligned. 11-inch EdgeHD optics snapped Saturn into focus so sharp, I saw the Encke gap like it was painted on. StarBright XLT coatings made the Ring Nebula glow like a neon sign. Dual fork mount with 6-inch brass gears didn't budge at 560 times magnification. Built-in 16-channel GPS, 40,000 plus object database, all-star polar alignment, and the HD Pro Wedge compatibility turned it into an equatorial beast when needed. One night Alex, a deep sky imager, had exactly 45 minutes between clouds. He hit GoTo on M51, the scope nailed it dead center, and he walked away with a 20-minute stack that still makes his portfolio hero image. That moment when the universe stops hiding and just shows off. Here's what actually living with it does. You go from dreading clear nights to counting hours until darkness. You stop caring about light pollution because 11 inches punches through it like paper. Your friends stop bringing their own scopes because yours ruins them for life. And you finally see details in planets that make you whisper profanities in the dark. SkyAlign Telescope said the EdgeHD 1100 is the best all-around large aperture scope you can buy. A well-known astrophotographer told me he sold his 14-inch RC after 1 month. The CPC tracks better and cools faster. One dad posted his 12-year-old daughter's first photo of the Horsehead Nebula taken with this scope, and the comments lost their minds. My own unit has survived 3 Midwest winters outside under a cover and still points within arc minutes. The only pushback I hear is, it's too big. Then they see it breaks down into 3 pieces and fits in a sedan truck. This is why thousands of us are secretly spoiled now. Which would hurt more, never seeing the sky this clearly, or knowing you waited this long? So imagine clear nights becoming your favorite nights again. Set up in minutes, rock-solid tracking for hours, views so stupidly good you forget telescopes even have limitations. Join the observatory owners, dark sky chasers, and backyard legends who already made Celestron CPC 1100 HD their forever scope and never wasted another minute fighting gear. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Full disclosure, just click, join us, no pressure. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. See you under the stars when Jupiter looks close enough to touch.